Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today we'll be making something out of Lego. So you're gonna be asking or commenting, what are we gonna be making out of Lego and what Lego pieces are we gonna need to make it? So we're gonna be making a Lego Beyblade. It acts like really spinner but is like a Beyblade. And the Lego pieces we need are gonna be on the screen. So viewers, these are the Lego pieces we'll be needing to make the Lego Beyblade. Look at them carefully and let's get started on making the Lego Beyblade. So guys, the first Lego piece we need is to make the Lego Beyblade is a 4x4. Then we need is this piece, but I don't really know what it's called. And it's like this. So yeah, we need two of them and even again of that, but it's like two bricks. Yeah. So then you take the 4x4, you take one of this and put it like this. Then we take another one and put it like that too. Then we take a red one and put it right here. Then we take another red and put it right here. Okay, so it looks like this to now. Now we need to keep it aside for a second and take four of these kind of pieces. Also, we even need four of these kind of pieces. These could be any color, these could be any color, also these could be any color. Also the plates, the 4x4. Yeah. So the first step is take one and take one of these and put it right here, like this. Do it for all four of them. Yeah. So after you're done with all four of them, take this and take these. So take one of this and put it like this. Take the big one and put it like this. And then take another one and put it like this. Sorry guys. Yeah. Let me just fix it. That's it. Yeah. So take the another one and put it like this. Take a different one, put it like this. Take a different one and put it like this. So till now it looks like this. Now guys, we will be needing two of these and we put them together like this. Yeah, and then we put them in the middle. Put it right in the middle. Okay? And we flip it and we need one of this. We don't need one of this, but we need a one with just 2x2. Not 4x2, but I can't find a 2x2, so I just use a 4x4. So put a 2x2 if you have like this, or a 4x4. Then you take one of these which spin. Yeah, take one of them and put it on the bottom like this. So right now you can see it spinning. But it's almost done, but we just need to do some decoration on top. Yeah. So take one of the plates, put them on the side. Take another and put it on this side. Then we take these ones and we put them on the side. And another one. And that. So it's like this. In the last step, take this and put it on top. And so, spin. So this was the Lego Beyblade. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I want to tell you one true thing. Since 1 month, I had 25 subscribers. And then I got 2 more today. But I really want some more subscribers, guys. Please like and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye.